Hello, my dear students. I hope all of you are good and safe at your home. This is your maths class, and today I am starting a new lesson, Unit 5 Subtraction. So, my dear students, open page number 27. This is page number 27, and here, Unit 5 Subtraction. You know how to subtract. You also know the following properties of subtraction. So some properties are, first property, number minus 0 equal to same number. When we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number in the answer. For example, 9 minus 0 equal to 9. 749 minus 0 equal to 749. 2651 minus 0 equal to 2651. So number minus 0 equal to same number. The another property is number minus same number equal to 0. 62 minus 62 equal to 0. 842 minus 842 equal to 0. And 4573 minus 4573 equal to 0. So number minus number same number equal to 0. Okay, now each number in subtraction sum has a special name. The number from which we subtract is the minuend. The number that is subtracted is the subtrahend, and the result of the subtraction is called difference. Okay, so this is minuend and this is subtrahend and this is difference. Okay, so remember this. Okay, so some examples are given here. Read these examples. Okay, now open page number 28. This is page number 28 and here exercise 5A. Okay, question number 1, subtract. So very simple subtraction without borrowing, simple subtraction. Question number 1, A part, 75,625 minus 42,320. Okay, so we start from ones place. So 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 2, 0, 6 minus 3, 3, 5 minus 2, 3 and 7 minus 4, 3. 33,305 is the answer. Now the B part, 48,392 minus 3,242. So start from ones place. 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. 8 minus 3, 5. And 4 as it. 45,150 is the answer. Okay, now C part, 87,546 minus 84,132. So start from ones place. 6 minus 2, 4. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 1, 4. 7 minus 4, 3 and 8 minus 8, 0. So 3,414 is the answer. Okay, so like this you have to do. I have done for you question number 2 same as question number 1. Okay, now question number 3 and 4 you have to do in your homework. Simple subtraction. Okay, so you have to do this questions 3 and 4 in your homework. Now question number 5, arrange in columns and subtract. So for this you have to take out your notebook. So take out your notebook. You have to write like this in your notebook. Exercise 5A, page number 28, question number 5, arrange in columns and subtract. Okay, so A part, 72,569 and 30,254. So first write like this, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and arrange the numbers like this. Okay, and then subtract. So start from ones place. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 0, 2. And 7 minus 3, 4. So 42,315 is the answer. Okay. Now the B part, 18,697 minus 5,264. Sorry, first write like this: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and arrange the numbers and then subtract. 7 minus 4, 3, 9 minus 6, 3, 6 minus 2, 4, 8 minus 5, 3, and 1 add it. 13,433 is the answer. Okay. Now the C part. These are the numbers. Arrange the number like this and subtract. Okay. Now D, E, F you have to do in your homework. Okay. D, E, F part you have to do in your homework. Now question number 6. Numbers names are given here. A parts, subtract 41,536 from 5,74,958. Okay. So for this, first write the number like this: ones, tens, 100, 1,000, and 10,000, and arrange the number and then subtract. Okay. B part, homework. Now question number 7 given: if the minuend equal to 42,379 and the subtrahend equal to 12,124, then find the difference. So minuend and subtrahend given, we know difference equal to minuend minus subtrahend. So subtract, first write minuend, then write subtrahend below the minuend, and then subtract. Okay. 9 minus 4, 5. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. And 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. So like this you have to do. B and C you have to do in your homework. Okay. Now this exercise has finished. Now the next page, page number 29. This is page number 29. Subtraction with borrowing. You already know how to subtract with borrow. Okay. So now here subtrahend plus difference equal to minuend. The answer is correct. If you want to check your answer, do subtrahend plus difference. If the minuend will come, the answer is correct. Okay. So now let's start exercise 5th B. This is page number 30 and here exercise 5th B. Question number 1, A part, 65,314 minus 23,256. Okay, so start from 1's place. So 4 minus 6. So 4 minus 6 is not possible. 4 is less than 6. So we take borrow from the 1. So it become 14 and 1 become 0. Again take borrow. So it become 10 and 3 become 2. Now 14 minus 6, 8. 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. And 6 minus 2, 4. Okay. So like this you have to do subtraction with borrow. Now the B part, 72,961 minus 35,886. So start from 1's place. 1 minus 6 not possible, so take borrow. So it become 11. Now 6 become 5. Then again 6 minus 8 not possible, so it become 15. Take borrow from 9, so it become 8. Okay. Now here 2 minus 5 not possible, so again take borrow, so it become 12 and 7 become 6. Now subtract. 11 minus 6, 5. 15 minus 8, 7. 8 minus 8, 0. 12 minus 5, 7. And 6 minus 3, 3. 37,075 is the answer. Okay. Now the C part, 14,037 and 13,582. Subtract. Okay. So 7 minus 2, 5. No problem. Now 3 minus 8. So 3 is less than 8. So we have to take borrow. So take borrow from 4. So it become 3 and 0 become 9 and 3 become 13. So 13 minus 8, 5. 9 minus 5, 4 and 3 minus 3, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So 455 is the answer. Okay. Now question number 2 you have to do in your homework. Okay. Now question number 3 I have done for you. So look at carefully how to take borrow and subtract. Okay. Now E part, F part, G part and H part you have to do in your homework. Okay. Now question number 4, arrange in columns and subtract. Check the answer you get. So for it you have to take out your notebook. So write like this in your notebook, exercise 5th B, page number 30. Question number 4, arrange in columns and subtract. Check the answers you get. So first is A part, 81,034 minus 25,185. So first subtract, arrange the number like this and subtract, take borrow. Okay. So we will get the answer 55,849. Okay. Now we have to check the answer. So for checking the answer, we have to add, subtrahend and difference. We have to add both these numbers. We add 9 and 5, 14, 4 here, carry 1, 8, 4, 12 and plus 1 carry 13, 3 here, again carry 1, 8 plus 1, 9 and 10, 0 here, carry 1 again, 5 and 5, 10 and 1, 11, carry 1, 5 to 7 and 8, 81,034. Answer. So this is the minuend. So our answer is correct. Okay, so like this we have to do. Same B part, first subtract and for checking the answer we add, subtrahend and difference. Subtrahend and difference we add, so we will get the minuend. So our answer is correct. Okay, this is minuend. We get the minuend, so answer is correct. Okay. Now C, D, E, F you have to do in your homework. Okay. Now the question number 5 is A part. If the minuend is 54,321 and the subtrahend is 29,467, find the difference. Okay. So for difference we know difference equal to minuend minus subtrahend. Okay. So subtract, first write minuend and then write subtrahend and then take borrow and subtract. So difference is 24,854. Okay. Now B part you have to do in your homework. Now for the question number 6 we have to move in your book. So take out your book. This is question number 6. Fill in. A part 54,238 plus fill in the blanks. Answer 77,000. So what we have to fill here? So for answer we have to subtract 54,238 from 77,000. After subtraction we will get the answer 22,762. Okay. Now the B part, 4,35,507 plus fill in the blanks equal to 4,48,362. So for getting the answer, we have to subtract 4,48,362 minus 4,35,507. After subtraction, we will get the answer. Okay. Now the C part, dash plus 12,999 equal to 13,001. So for answer, we have to subtract okay, so we will get the answer 2. Okay, so like this you have to do. Now question number 7, find the missing digits. So A part, 2 is written here, so 9 minus 2 equal to 7, here 7 minus 5 equal to 2, 8 minus 3 equal to 5, and 2 minus 5 equal to 7, and 8 minus 4 equal to 3. We can add also. We know minuend equal to subtrahend plus difference. So add both these numbers. 7 plus 2 9, 5 plus 2 7, 5 plus 3 8, 7 plus 5 12, 2 here carry 1, 4 plus 3 7, and 1 8. Okay, so like this you have to do. Okay, B part I have done for you. Now C and D you have to do in your homework. Now next page. This is page number 31, and here question number 8. Subtract and check the answers. So first subtract and then add both the numbers, subtrahend and difference. Okay, if we get minuend, our answer is correct. Okay, so like this you have to do. Now question number 10, arrange in columns and subtract. So for it, take out your notebook. Question number 10, A part, 27,854 minus 25,689. So first arrange like this and then subtract. Okay, now the B part, 40,000 minus 2,735. So arrange first like this, ones, tens, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. Okay, arrange the numbers and then subtract. Okay, now C, D, E, F you have to do in your homework. Okay, now question number 11. This is question number 11, fill in the missing digits. Okay, so 9 minus 4 equal to 5, 4 minus 2 equal to 2, and here 3 minus 5 equal to 8, and 8 minus 7 equal to here 0, and say 8 minus 6 2. Okay, so it becomes 13 and it becomes 7. So 7 minus 7 0, and 13 minus 5 equal to 8. Okay, now the B part, 3 minus 2 1, here it becomes 14. So 14 minus 5 equal to 9, and it becomes 9. So 9 become 8. So 8 minus 7 equal to 1. Now 8 minus 3 5, 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay, now C and D you have to do in your homework. Okay, now the next exercise, word sums. This is page number 32, and here exercise 50, story sums are here. First question, 23,958 papayas grew in Harish farm and 23,689 grew in Adi's farm. On whose farm did more papayas grow and how many more? So we know this number is greater. So we know Harish farm grew more papayas. And how? So first subtract. First write the papayas of Hari's farm, then write the papayas of Ali's farm. Then subtract, take borrow and subtract. We will get the answer 269. So Hari's farm grew 269 more papayas. Okay. Question number 2. A factory made 47,800 TV sets in 2009. If 3,452 sets were made in December, how many sets were made till November? So we know December is the last month of the year. So till November. So first write the numbers. In 2009, how many TV sets are made? 47,800 minus subtract the December's TV set. So 3,452. Subtract. So answer 44,348 TV sets made till November. Okay. Now the question number 3. Lata won a singing contest by 75,926 votes. Hema came second. If Lata got 2,30,405 votes, how many votes did Hema get? So for Hema's vote, subtract Lata's vote minus 75,926. Okay, so then subtract. We will get the answer. Hema got 1,54,479 votes. Question number 4. If the population of a town increases by 15,793, it will become 6 lakh. What is its population now? So from 6 lakh subtract 15,793. We get the answer. Its population is 5,84,207 now. Okay. Now these question you have to do in your notebook. आपको notebook में करने हैं ये वाले questions सब. So question number 5. What must be added to 46,351 to get 60,220? Okay, so first take out your notebook. So for getting the answer, subtract 46,351 from 60,220. Arrange like this. Take borrow and subtract. 13,869 must be added. Okay, to get the answer. Now, question number 6. The sum of two numbers is 5 lakh. If the one number is 45,678, find the other number. So, from the sum, we subtract one number. Okay, so first write 5 lakh, then minus one number 45,678, then take borrow like this and then subtract. So we get the answer. The other number is 4,54,322. Okay, now question number 7. What number must be subtracted from 3,02,005 to get 1,25,040? Okay, so for it we have to subtract 1,25,040 from 3,02,005. Okay, so arrange like this. Take borrow and subtract. So the number is 1,76,965. Okay. Now the question number 8. By how much is 1,13,052 greater than 90,486? So subtract and get the answer. Okay. Now question number 9. 12,340 subtracted from a number gives 95,267. So what is the number? So here we have to add both the numbers, 95,267 and 12,340. Add both the number and we get the answer. So the answer is 1,06,607. Okay, now question number 10. Julie had rupees 8,20,100 after she bought a car. She had rupees 78,950 left. What is the cost of car? So for the cost of car, we have to subtract the total rupees and the left rupees. Okay, from the total rupees we have to subtract the left rupees, so we get the answer. So the cost of car is rupees 7,41,150. Okay. Now question number 11. Joginder bought a plot of land for rupees 4,50,000 and sold it later for rupees 6,80,575. What was his profit? तो उसका profit क्या है? So subtract. Okay, 6,80,575 minus 4,50,000. Subtract and we will get the answer. His profit is rupees 2,30,575. Okay. Now question number 12. A builder needed 7,40,500 kg of cement. He started buying cement. After a month he found that he was 2,72,854 kg short of what he needed. How much cement did he have then? Okay, so for it the builder needed this one, 7,42,500 kg cement, and this is the shortage. Okay, so at that time how much cement did he have then? So subtract need and shortage. So we will get the answer. He had 4,69,646 kg cement. Okay, so like this you have to do all the work properly and homework also. Now I am going to stop this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.